Here selling momos and corn sticks. I'm at the Majudilla in the nearest street. Small vendors, lots of people, crowded. Small vendors. The popular food called Laphing, and here in India, Majorilla, so popular, so many people crowd right here. Just want to taste of this kind of a flour-made noodle, and very popular. Everybody love it with the spices in it, and literally crowd here enjoy this noodle called Laphing. Amazing how she make this noodle. Laphing is very delicious noodle. Okay, here's we bought some Laphing too. So many people in the street enjoy this special noodle. Special noodle made with flour, basically, and we're gonna enjoy this one too. She don't know those. So this is a Laphing noodle made with flour. Very spicy and very delicious. It's called Tibetan street food. It's so good, it's so popular. So people literally enjoy the Laphing noodle. As cold as maybe a snack, but it's so delicious. It literally makes us a meal. And add the spices in the noodle. So delicious. Today I found a model.
Model number 2. Oh, why là? Ano nila?
How was it?
Very yummy.
Very yummy.
Very yummy, very tasty, very delicious. Come with the texture. Come with it. So big, isn't it?
Very delicious.